My video is about removing the ransomware that is called CJ. In this video, you will find out why exactly this ransomware is called like that and what exactly it does with the files. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you can open the files without any problems at all. You can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data pretty easily. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may be injected into the computer, and then pretty soon you will realize that something bad has happened with your files. And so this is what happens after the ransomware does its malicious work. It damages the files that customers store on their hard drives, and it adds a special CJ extension to the file. For instance, there is a picture with the JPG extension, and after it gets encrypted, the ransomware adds some unique identifier, email address, decrypt@gmail.com, and finally this CJ extension is added. So the ransomware would place a special ransomware note on the desktop mentioning that your files are locked and that you need to pay the ransom for file restoration. But believe me, paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee that the files would be restored, and we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because you may simply lose your money for nothing. We recommend you to first of all check the task manager of your computer. If you find any suspicious processes that could be running in the background, you need to terminate them. This could help you stop the further file encryption. And we also recommend you to download a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So you need to use this special green button to download Combo Cleaner. After the program gets downloaded and installed, start scanning your computer with its help in order to identify and eliminate the threats that could still remain on the computer. These threats may be related to ransomware, to adware, malware, browser hijackers. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats. After the program gets successfully downloaded and installed, you may select the quick scan option. In fact, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. The program will then update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of the ransomware. And I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner, which is called anti-ransomware. It is the part of the premium license. It will help you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. And upgrading to premium license will help you to both effectively remove this ransomware and to protect your data from being damaged in the future.